Do not add oil. Fill up with water and vinegar. Okay. I might cry. I've never opened up one of these boxes that looks like that. I don't know what it is. I just know it says BD Diesel Performance Sign. Here's a moment of truth. Oh my God. Holy crap. It's like Christmas, just in a $10,000 form. Yeah, that's quite insane if you ask me. Jesus, what do I do with this? We have a brand new transmission for the Mega Cab, which I said in some of my previous videos, and now it should be able to tow my trailers and my trucks like insanely well. It has a deep pan on it. It came with a slip to return my old one. It came with 2 boxes as well. I don't know what these boxes are. I don't know what this could be. I think this might be, oh look at a little sticker. And the control module for towing. Perfect, exactly what we needed. I think a lack of line pressure is what smoked this one. And now it is time. Currently 4:47 in the morning, and the Mega Cab is back in business. I think that's the fastest trans swap I've ever done in my life, and we started at like 7, and I left the house at midnight to go to Atlantic City Truck Meet. So the trans is in. Come over here, I'll show you guys. Get down here. It's a pure work of art, and now I think that might just make me lead into doing like a full frame off on this truck, because I got a painted trans, so that means frame off, right? The bumper got smashed, frame off. Yes. So now we're gonna take that trailer off, put it onto this truck, take that trailer off, put it on that truck, put that truck on that trailer. This does not get any easier. But hey, I got a new trailer now, so it's a little bit smaller, it's a bumper pull, and it's a deck over. There's a lot of switching around going on right now. Not a good sight right here. The trailer tire left the track. So let's figure that out. It's stupid. That looks good though. You guys seen? At the beginning of the video, I installed a BD trans into my Mega Cab Cummins. I drove this thing 2,565 miles from here in Chicago to Atlantic City, New Jersey, back home to Bloomington, Illinois, back home to Van Wert, Ohio, and then all the way back home. And here we are now 2,500 miles later, and I could not be any happier with this transmission. Here's a quick little test on how this trans performs. Little half throttle right here. transmission in it. You just go. Kind of feels like a Tesla, to be honest with you. Got the BD line pressure adjuster, so it plugs into the map sensor on the truck, hooks up to the side sensor on the transmission. And that adjusts the line pressure of the transmission when there is a trailer hooked up to it, and that honestly makes the world of a difference. Well, you guys now have it. It has a new trans in it, but the pure work of art is underneath here. We kept the factory T-case on it. Drive shaft stayed the same. I'm going to switch it out to a one-piece drive shaft, though, as soon as I get the new axle and the new bed for it. And yeah, it is like a pure work of art because it's not just an ugly stock color. And like I said earlier in the video, this is probably going to lead into a frame off on this truck because that's too nice to be sitting inside this dirty black frame. And the turbos need to get swapped out yet still. The pump, the injectors, the head studs, and the head. And then we should be ready to tow across like the whole entire world, I would say. As you guys seen in the last video, Bulletproof Hitches sent out a hitch for my truck. I got it installed. I have yet to get the torsion bars on it. They go off the hitch to the frame because when you're driving it, you hear this the whole time. And it kind of gets annoying. But I haven't really done like a video revealing the wheels and tires on it. So we have 26 by 14 TIS wheels wrapped in 40, 15, 50, 26 Venom tires. I took it on a motocross track already. I've driven it about 500 miles and I have taken it across the country. And these tires are amazing. Wheels are amazing. I am switching it up though. 28 by 16s I think are loading for this truck. And then maybe these might make their way onto a mega cab for a video or two before the dually swap is loading, because getting custom wheels made for a dually isn't the easiest thing, and it doesn't come overnight like these wheels do. Yeah, when it shatters out his Bobcat window.
It's just money, right?
That's what I was saying. It's gonna hit the fucking window. Yeah, that's a good strap. Now if the engine's out of that roller, that means, oh my God, is that my dually? It's almost like I haven't seen it in like 3 years. It's kind of been neglected, but I guess I'll just let you guys know that this might be the last thing that needs to get done on it. I have been hiding it a long time. The roller is definitely in another state. In another state than you guys last seen it.
It's fun as fuck, you can't use it.
It's usable for now. I didn't mean flip it over. Well, I mean, it's there now. Okay. Would you stop over-engineering everything?
Sorry, I'm just Timothy.
Timothy. We got Ashton, the certified forklift driver.
He's 150.
He's 150? Yeah. He said it has no brakes, and now he expects me to stop it. Probably why he's ramming the forks to the ground. Go up. Huh? Go up. The rocker's about to hit the ground. All right, you're getting busy with it now. Bodie got the dingus out. Little forks. He's gonna drop my cab, or he's not gonna drop it. Watch the fence, Billy. Our attempt to get the cab on the roller is a forklift, a bobcat, and Bodie's little dingus. The current state I'm in, I'm stuck inside the bobcat, and the door doesn't open enough for me to get out, unfortunately. So if anything catastrophic happens, catastrophic, yes, my foot will be going through this front glass and then I'll be replacing that. But my anxiety level is through the roof right now, and my dually is now held up by a bobcat and a forklift, and then we got Bodie, the dingo operator, out there getting the frame lined up so I can set this thing back down. It has been a long time coming on the dually, and the roller will not be seen on the channel anymore until it is complete. But the body, we will probably film the body because I'm going to take it back down to Florida really quick. I just set it on a stock height roller. Don't mind it, nothing's even bolted down. It is just sitting on there. I had to bring it right up the street from where I had it, and now I can get the body all bolted down here today. I got to get fenders, a hood, go pick up my bumpers for it, get those on the trailer. And this whole catastrophe of a truck will be on its way back down to Florida. Get a custom paint job on it. I have already picked out the paint for it. Nobody else knows what color I'm doing besides T-King, because obviously he's the one spraying it. And with that being said, it's going to end today's video because we have a lot of work to do. I know I have been slacking on this dually. I've been saying it's going to get done. But if this is going back to Florida for the second time, you best believe I'm not leaving till this truck is done. So we got some stuff to go pick up. We're hitting the road to Florida. See you, bye.